Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Avilash and I'm a full-time trader by profession. So in this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro GBP for 22nd March 2021. And if you're watching my channel for the first time, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. So let's jump to the chart then. If you have been following my videos or if you watched my previous videos, then you know it pretty well that I was not recommending Euro GBP or Euro British Pound for the last week. Okay, and because the overall trend was very much towards the downside, and there was some strong selling pressure, but market is having the pressure. Market is not having the pressure right now. Market is not having the steam. Okay, there is no volatility in the market. Okay, so if you just consider this portion, okay, then market was kind of flat. Okay, so I was not recommending Euro British Pound for last few days. Okay. So you can see that I have these two lines again on the chart. Okay, this is the support and this is the kind of resistance. Okay, but this is a good support for the market. So as I was saying earlier, okay, market needs to cross this line with great amount of volume. Okay, because in a downtrend, okay, market was in heavy downtrend and this level is providing support to the market. Okay, therefore market needs heavy volume to cross this level, and in case you see that yes, market has crossed the level, okay, with great amount of volume, wait for at least 4 to 8 hours. Okay, because this is kind of extreme situation. Okay, wait for 4 to 8 hours and just see how the price is doing. If you see that yes, this time this pressure is permanent, and yes, market is having high selling pressure from the bears, then you can short the market below this level. Okay, otherwise, as long as market is trading between this range, you do not need to trade here. This is your no trading zone. Okay, still just avoid the market until and unless market is trading between this zone. And I have mentioned this level. I have drawn this line here 0.8639, but I have not mentioned it on the resistance because this is not a kind of a resistance. Okay, so this level is very important, this purple line 0.8533, and this level is important because if market crosses this level, then we can have a at least we can have a clear picture about the market, whether it is about to reverse or the downtrend is continuing or not. Okay, but right now we cannot say anything because there is no volatility in the market. Okay, so either market should cross this level to give us a clear picture, okay, or market should either cross this level so that we can short the market. Okay, so we need something. Okay, but because right now market is not having any volatility, so we are helpless. So this is the simple analysis of Euro GBP for 22nd March. Hopefully you have understood, and if you have liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and do subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. See you tomorrow again with the analysis for 23rd March. Have a great weekend. Bye bye. Take care, and do not forget to subscribe. Bye bye.